Yeah, so for today we are going to be talking about the top five things developers must do in 2025. So 2025 and beyond, there are certain things developers must ensure. So we are going to be looking into the agenda. Yeah, so the agenda is to give you a roadmap of what you will be covering. Yeah, for today, and also here is the agenda. That first, we will explore the power of AI tools like ChatGPT, and also how they can transform the way you work. So next, we will discuss the importance of mastering modern JavaScript frameworks and staying updated with emerging technology. So, and also then we will dive into building a personal brand on LinkedIn, which is a crucial platform for networking and showcasing your skills. After that, we will also look into the continuous learning, which is essential to stay relevant in the fast-paced tech industry. Finally, we will also look at the value of contributing to open source projects, which not only enhances your skill but also help you establish a presence in the developer community. By the end of this session, you have a clear understanding of these strategies and how you can basically apply them effectively. Yeah. So we will go ahead and look into it. That's the first one. So the first step is to embrace AI tools like ChatGPT. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's actually reality that's reshaping the way we work. That's for developers, the way we actually work. AI tools like ChatGPT can be a game changer, and I think so. They can automate repetitive tasks, significantly boost productivity, and also even assist in solving tasks or solving complex issues that we basically encounter. Imagine having a coding assistant available for you. That's anytime. Yeah, it helps you debug, brainstorm, and I basically think it has limitations. So in using the AI tools, you just have to be yeah, stay alert on this. And ChatGPT is not just a tool; it's actually a partner in your development journey. Yeah. So to make the most of ChatGPT, I think you can use it for generating boilerplate code. For example, if you are building an API, that's application programming interface, ChatGPT can provide a quick and efficient starting point. Debugging is another area where it shines. Yeah. So you can paste error messages, get detailed suggestions for fixing them. Additionally, it's actually a fantastic resource for learning programming concepts or exploring trends in technology. So as we move into 2025 and beyond, adopting AI tools like ChatGPT and the likes won't just be that's an advantage, but it will be a necessity for staying ahead in the industry. Yeah. So that's for the first one. The second point is to ensure you focus on that JavaScript. So the second point, we are going to ensure we focus on modern JavaScript framework. JavaScript continues to be the backbone of web development, and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js are integral to building the scalable and efficient applications. So the tech industry is evolving rapidly, and staying updated with the latest frameworks ensure that you remain relevant and valuable as a developer. So as a developer, you need to ensure that day in, day out, you are able to stick to the recent that's updates, yeah, the frameworks and the like. So additionally, emerging frameworks like Solid.js that developed and also gain a popularity, offering even more options to create dynamic and high performing applications. So to excel in this area, it is important to focus on one framework at a time. So you need to make sure you focus on one framework at a time. Once you are done, you can basically move on to the next or something like that. You build project, experiment with features, and stay informed about updated best practices. Yeah, JavaScript frameworks are not just tools; they are ecosystems that empower developers to solve complex problems and create seamless user experiences. Moreover, with the help of ChatGPT, you can streamline your learning process by generating code examples, debugging issues, and exploring new technologies. Mastering these frameworks will undoubtedly strengthen your expertise and open up that's new opportunities in 2025. So we have that's the ChatGPT or also in here. So as a developer, you need to ensure you basically have a that's clear understanding of the JavaScript frameworks and the like, so that you can actually ensure you stay relevant in the industry, as a developer in 2025 and beyond. And the third one is to ensure that's the third key is to build a personal brand on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn has evolved into a powerful platform for professionals across all industries, and for developers it is an essential tool for networking and career growth. A strong presence on LinkedIn allows you to connect with like-minded professionals who showcase their projects and achievements. So basically, I think you can go to LinkedIn and have a brand for yourself, so that you can actually have a look at other brand as well on LinkedIn. So a strong presence on LinkedIn allows you to connect with like-minded professionals, showcase your project and achievement, and attract potential employers or collaborators. Your LinkedIn profile is essential. It's essentially your digital resume, and it can make a significant difference in how you are perceived in the industry. So to effectively use LinkedIn, you regularly share posts about your development journey, insights, projects you're working on, and so forth. So, and also you can update your profile with certification, skills, and achievement to keep it current and compelling. So ChatGPT can assist you in this process as well by helping you craft engaging posts, optimize your profile summary, and even draft messages for networking. Building a personal brand on LinkedIn is not just about visibility; it's actually about establishing credibility and opening doors to new opportunities. So ChatGPT can basically help you in your LinkedIn, your profile, and also that's the previously slide that we talked about, that's your JavaScript framework. So see, it's actually a tool that can basically help you in all this. And I think for the fourth one that we are going to talk about is to adopt a continuous learning. I always say that the developers must always be learning, so you need to be able to have that mindset or adopt this. So the fourth point is that the importance of continuous learning. So technology evolves at any unprecedented pace, and what's relevant today might be outdated tomorrow. As a developer, it's crucial to stay ahead by constantly upgrading your skills and knowledge. So continuous learning is not just a strategy; it is actually a mindset that keeps you adaptable and resilient in the face of change. There are many ways to embrace continuous learning. You can enroll in online courses, attend webinars, read articles, blogs, stay updated on the latest development of your field. So even on LinkedIn, you can have a lot of blogs, articles, and stuff on LinkedIn. As a developer, you can even use LinkedIn, in order for you to stay as updated in your field. So platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer that's a wealth resources for developers. Additionally, ChatGPT can be your personal tutor, explaining concepts, suggesting learning paths, and solving coding challenges by committing to continuous learning. So to actually ensure you that you remain relevant and ready for the challenges that in future. So I think basically you need to have that mindset as well. Yeah. And as a developer, we need to ensure that you contribute to open source projects. Yeah, you need to do that so that you can stay updated. You can actually stay updated and relevant in 2025 and beyond. So we'll be talking about contributing to open source projects. So open source contributors are actually an excellent way to improve your coding skills. Collaborate with other developers and gain that's a real world experience. So the real world experience is basically that's a project that some other developers have worked on. You can actually work on them as well to have that's how the real world projects are actually like. Yeah, to have that experience. So when you contribute to open source, you are not just writing code, you are actually solving problems, learning from others and making an impact on the community. So to get started, identify projects on platforms like GitHub that align with your interests and skill set. Then you begin by resolving issues, adding features or improving documentation. This not only sharpens your technical skills but also enhances your ability to work in a collaborative environment. ChatGPT can guide you through this process by helping you understand code basics, debug problems, and adhere to these practices. So contributing to open source is a rewarding experience that helps you grow professionally while giving back to the developer community. Yeah, so I personally think ChatGPT is actually a tool that can help you in your journey as a developer in 2025 and beyond. That's being able to that's learn a particular framework. I mean, for specifically for the JavaScript, ChatGPT will be able to help you. That's since it is actually a tool, it will be able to help you. Then also building a personal brand on LinkedIn, ChatGPT will be able to help you. And for you to stay updated in the field, that's being able to have the learning mindset, ChatGPT is always available for you. So just for the recap or the summary, what we talk about that's embrace AI tools like ChatGPT to boost your productivity and problem solving. That we talked about earlier on, and also master modern JavaScript frameworks to stay that's indispensable. Build a personal brand on LinkedIn to expand your opportunities. Commit to continuous learning to remain adaptable. Contribute to open source project to grow your skills and establish presence in the community. That's the last but not the least. Yeah, so I would thank you for watching this video. Yeah, see you another time. Thank you.